What's going on, guys? Dustin with Cardboard Hobby. We're busting 2015 Bowman's Best Baseball Support Box half case break. May 5th or May 25th, 2016. Looks like a 1 over there. 25th of May. So here's our teams and owners, guys. We have Aaron A with the Red Sox, Christopher H, Rays, Rangers, Blue Jays, Nationals, David P, Orioles, White Sox, Indians, Royals, Twins, A's, and Phillies, Jeffrey C with the Angels, James M with the Marlins and Padres, Jesse B with the Mets, John B, Cubs, Astros, Brewers, John H, Dodgers, Justin F, Diamondbacks and Giants, Maria C with the Mariners, Phil with the Yankees, Robert K, Braves, Reds, Pirates, and Cardinals, Tyler with the Rockies, and just waiting on a payment from Dennis W for the Tigers. So Dennis, when you get a shot, go ahead and shoot that payment over. We can get you shipped out tomorrow. All right, guys, and you chose the left side for this break. We'll do the right side next week. I'll be out of town for 5 days, so the other half probably won't go off until next Wednesday, maybe Thursday of this case. It's going to be a little bit before we do the other half of this case. There we are. We're all sealed up. There's our front again. There's the left side. One, 2, 3, and 4. I guess the other 4 will be next week, probably. Not next week, and then the week after. I'm not really sure. Depends if I forget to list the break or not, which is quite possible. There we go, guys. Good luck. Box number 1 coming at you. Second. My garbage bag ready here. I'm feeling lucky tonight, guys. I think we're gonna hit a big one. Oh, sorry. I think we're getting a big one tonight. Maybe that Chris Bryant 101. Maybe that's floating around somewhere. Here we go. Box number 1. Good luck, everybody. Henry Owens out of 99. Red Sox, 70 and 99. Henry Owens from Boston. Then we have a Posey Schwarber duel. Giants and Cubs. We'll randomize these all at the end. If we get another Posey Schwarber, you'll each get one. We won't do the random. Red Sox, Eduardo Rodriguez. Eduardo Rodriguez, base auto for Boston. Dansby Swanson, Diamondbacks, first impressions, base. Texas, it was. Cole Hamels, Adrian Beltre. And then we got Joey Gallo, Josh Donaldson, Texas, Toronto. Cardinals, Alex Reyes for St. Louis. Base auto. And we have Nick Gordon for the Twins. We will go over all the hits at the end, guys, as well. So, if you missed something, break or the feed freezes, whatever, we'll go over everything at the end. So. Flap is can't get this flap out. There we go. Stubborn little boxer. Something didn't want to come out. For the Cubs, Anthony Rizzo. Anthony Rizzo high def for the Cubs. Out of 99, Andrew McCutchen for the Pirates. 49 of 99 McCutchens. Then we have Swanson and Crawford. Duel. Oakland A's, Matt Chapman. Matt Chapman for the A's. Base auto. Eduardo Rodriguez, Atomic. Red Sox. Blackman and Buxton. Duel. Twins and Rockies. We got Bo Burrows for the Tigers. Giant Bees. Giant Bees, Bo Burrows for Detroit. And there's that. Box number 2. All right, here we go. Jose Abreu for the White Sox out of 150. One of 3 of 150. Jose Abreu, Chicago. Benintendi and Trout. Benintendi and Trout duel. Blake Snell for Tampa Bay. Base auto. Tampa Bay, Blake Snell. Colby Allard, Atlanta. Base. Bell and Hosmer. Duel. Paris Royals. Dodgers, Grant Holmes. Base auto, Grant Holmes for LA. And Joey Votto, high def. Joey Votto for the Reds. Alright, box 2, mini 2. No case hit yet. Still on the hunt for a case hit. Alrighty. We got Cubs, Rockies, Bryant and Arenado. Nice little duel there. Chris Bryant and Arenado. Redemption. Dixon Machado. Dixon Machado for Detroit, I believe. Double check that. I think it's Detroit. Detroit Tigers. All right. Base auto to the Tigers. Get Julio Urias, Dodgers, Atomic. Then we have a Nola Shields duel, Phillies and Padres. Angels, Taylor Ward. Taylor Ward for the LA Angels, base auto. And Max Scherzer, Nationals. Mr. 20 strikeout himself. Focus in here. There we go. Max Scherzer. Number 3. Go, Josh Donaldson out of 99, Toronto. Then we have Correa A-Rod, dual. Jock for the Dodgers. Get him in every case. Jock for the Dodgers. Brendan Rodgers, Rockies. Houston, Tucker Brothers. Alex Jackson, Seattle base auto. Alex Jackson for the Mariners. Not a single numbered hit yet. Sano for the Twins. Sano for the Twins. This next, this box right here. Here's our numbered auto. So looking for our a number card. I don't want a case hit here. Maybe the Correa 101, Chris Bryant 101, Renato 101. Something good coming. Trout would be sweet. Harper would be nice. Austin Meadows out of 150 for the Pirates. 112 of 150. Austin Meadows. We had dual sale and Price. Or Rodon and Price. Sorry. Dodgers, White Sox. Toronto White Sox. Sean Newcomb, Angels. Base auto. Excuse me. Base auto. Sean Newcomb for the Angels. Keep on going on here. Eric Hosmer, Atomic. And the last piece. So, give us something good in this one. Nationals. Giolito and Strasburg. Nothing still. Yon Lopez for the Diamondbacks. Yon Lopez for Arizona. Man, this second half of this case has got to be loaded. Carlos Correa, Astros, high def. This other side of the case is stacked. Got to be. Unless we have the monster in here. The next Bowman's Best baseball auction listed will be the second half of this case. So whatever the next one you guys see on the listings will be the second half if you guys want to jump in on that. Aaron Blair out of 99 for the Diamondbacks. Aaron Blair. Tucker again. Tyler Stevenson for the Reds. Cincinnati Reds, Tyler Stevenson, base auto. We have a first impression, Dylan Tate, Texas. Cardinals base. Arenado and Chris Bryant. That means you're each going to get one. No random here. It's a nice one-headed dupe on. So we got two of these. Rockies will get one. Cubs will get one. So Frankie Montas for the White Sox. Frankie Montas for the White Sox. Base auto. Come on, Frankie, focus, buddy. There we go. Then we have a high def Giolito Nationals. Still nothing numbered in here. Holy smokes. Come on, last box mojo. Let's get it popping. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Rub the top. Good luck, mojo. Here we go. Ian Happ starting us off. Nationals, Strasburg, Giolito. Second one of those we've hit. Tampa Bay, Garrett Whitley, base auto. We got one shot left. Garrett Whitley for Tampa Bay, base auto. Dansby Swanson, Tomic, Arizona. Oh, look. A-Rod, Correa, duel. Not one numbered auto. Insane. Rafael Devers for the Red Sox. I would highly recommend you guys come back for the second half of this case. Urias for the Dodgers. I mean, I don't think I've ever seen that before in my entire time doing this. I've done a lot of Bowmans Best breaks. I've never seen that. Dodgers, Urias. So the second half of this case is going to be stacked, including the case hit is going to be in the second half as well. Devers, Red Sox. Garrett Whitley, Tampa Bay Rays. Frankie Montas for the White Sox. Tyler Stevenson, Reds. Yon Lopez, Arizona. Sean Newcomb, Angels. Alex Jackson, Mariners. Jock for the Dodgers. Taylor Ward, Angels. We have a base auto, Dixon Machado for the Tigers. Grant Holmes, Dodgers. Blake Snell, Tampa Bay. Bo Burrows, Tigers. Matt Chapman for Oakland. Alex Reyes for the Cardinals. Eduardo Rodriguez for the Red Sox. No case hit, nothing numbered. I'm going to do those randomizers right now for those of you guys who aren't going to hang around for the random. Thanks again for jumping on our break. We appreciate you guys, as always, stopping in and hanging out with us tonight. Also, we won't need to randomize this. We have another one, A-Rod and Correa, so you guys will get one. Excuse me. So let's start with random. Okay, start us off is going to be I'm not going to have chat available while I do these randoms, guys. I have the spreadsheet open with everything else over top of the chat. So I'll answer any questions you guys will have at the end. I'll answer any questions. So here we go. First up, the White Sox in Toronto. White Sox, Toronto. 1, 2. Focus in here real quick. Sorry, in a sec. There we go. 3, 4, and 5. Toronto over the White Sox. Toronto over the White Sox. Next up, San Diego, Philadelphia. San Diego, Philadelphia. That's sad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Philly over San Diego. Yeah, Pittsburgh, Kansas City next. Pittsburgh. Pitt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pittsburgh over KC. Boston and the Angels. It's a nice one there. Benintendi and Trout. Boston, LA. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Angels over Boston. Minnesota, Colorado. Minnesota. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minnesota over Colorado. Arizona and San Francisco. Oh, don't need to do that one. Same person owns both those two teams. Justin, you own both. We won't need to randomize that. Texas and Toronto, don't need to randomize that. Christopher owns both of them. And Chicago and San Francisco is going to round us out here. Cubs, Giants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Giants over the Cubs. So the Giants will take down the Posey and Schwarber. Giants. Okay. All right, guys, that's our break. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to hang around for a few minutes. If you guys want to see anything again, feel free to ask. If not, thanks for breaking with cardboardhobby.com. Appreciate you guys as always. And yeah, any questions, please feel free to ask. I'll hang around for a few.